Hi everyone, my name is Dylan from Mazda of Brampton. Look what we got here today. 2018 brand spanking new redesigned Mazda 6. If you want to know the more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to contact us. My name is Dylan from Mazda of Brampton. Phone number 416-358-4398. Look at this. Beautifully designed. Hand stitchers, handcrafted panels. Wow, look at these stitchings. It's almost 99.9% accurate. Beautiful display. Once again, my name is Dylan from Mazda of Brampton. Phone number 416-358-4398. We do have 2018 Mazda 6 in stock. Have a nice day.